What's poppin'? What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? Who's in this bitch? What's poppin'? What's good? Push through, honey. Push through. Judge Pen is live. Let's get into it. The Pen Court episode 25. Who's in this bitch? TD Wizzle, what's poppin', honey? I see you. I see you. So yeah, I had to jump on this live real quick, okay, so I can just like get on and do the Pen Court episode 25 because a lot has been going on, a lot of scandal shit, shit has been happening. So I gotta speak on it. I'm just trying to see if my connection is working properly. Can you hear me? Like, what the fuck? I feel like my connection is really doing me wrong. Again, part of the fucking usual. Roman_return. What's popping? Can you guys hear me? I feel like my connection's like acting up a little bit before I carry on. Suzuki of free. What's popping, honey? Can you hear me, honey? What's popping, yeah? I see you. What's good? Like, I need to know if my connection's working okay, whether I can carry on or not. So, yeah. Are you able to hear me, Yaya? Is my connection okay? Is it crackling and shit? Oh, you can hear me properly? Okay. Well, let me carry on then. So, welcome, guys. Like, push through the Pen Court episode 25. Okay, Judge Pen up in this bitch. I haven't shaved yet, but once I do, you're going to see my face, but you know what the fuck I look like. Okay. So, let me get right into it. The reason why I had to jump on this live, so I can just, like, speak what's happening, because a lot of scandals going on right about now on Twitter. Okay. A lot of, like, cancellation business happening here. Cancel Twitter's on high capacity today, out here doing what they're doing. So I gotta speak on, I gotta speak on it because at the end of the day, as you guys know, I'm a big Nicki Minaj supporter. So it is what it is. Like I fuck with whoever Nicki fucks with, and right about now, she fucks with Doja Cat. Regardless what happened a couple of weeks ago, no one's here to speak about what happened a couple of weeks ago. Okay, I then addressed it. That was then. This is now, bitch. Okay, people can move on. Like Drake and Meek Mill can move on. Jerome Penn and Doja Cat can move on, you understand? It is what it is. So with that being said, moving on, I'ma keep having the same motherfucking energy, keeping it cute, and obviously, I'm gonna back the bitch. I'm gonna back her up. I'm gonna back her up. Point blank period. Point blank period. Okay? Because it is what it is. Okay? She fucks with the queen, and the queen got a song with her. And I know there's malicious intent behind it. That's the reason why I'm gonna back her in a certain way. Like, what was said and her characteristic and who she is and what she's about and whatever. Honey, I'm not gonna get into that. I'm not gonna get into that. I'm not gonna get into that because the reason I'm not gonna get into that because people wanna be pick and choose who they wanna, cancel and who they wanna be out here, wanna be bringing out shit in the past. That's the reason I'm not gonna get into it because there's other artists out here who God knows they're doing and what they said is worse, and people can pull up actual facts and receipts and they're still doing what they're doing as they please, for the time being, and the asses has not been cancelled. And obviously other people who are profiting, people who are benefiting more from those people who are not cancelling, who are saying foul things as Doja Cat ever did or done said. But back to the situation. Okay, so the first topic in the Pen Court episode 25 is false narrative Doja cancellation party, out here being promoted. I know for a fact is the Cardi B Baddie gang, motherfucking fans. Is them motherfucking elementary motherfucking gangs, them motherfucking, because they ain't got nothing much better to do because everybody out here, like I said before, everybody out here who's a musician and artist who are working, putting music out, even people from the fucking dinosaur eras, back in the 90s or whatever, they're out here pushing music out. It doesn't matter what era people from. People are pushing music out. But this bitch out here just stays out here keeping it cute, trying to take, pictures as an IG fashion over model or whatever, because her music current status is on hold, payola, her payola status is on pending. Okay, so with that being said, her fans, they ain't got nothing to do, they got too much motherfucking time on their hands. So what they're fucking doing, trying to find whatever way they can find, trying to ruin our moment. You know, trying to ruin our moment. Because Cardi thought she was slick out here posting that Grammy post picture video as it is. Like I said before, the bitch couldn't wait to post. Bitch, I don't give a fuck what time the Grammy did whatever they did and whatever. You could have hold on to that shit and do it in a different time. But you felt doing it right, near to the time when Nicki went #1 out here making iconic numbers as female rappers. The keyword female rappers making iconic shit. So you want to be out here reminding you, oh, look at me as a female. Bitch, for starters, your karaoke artist reciting lyrics. Out here getting rewarded by butt awards and butt whatever. But anyway, we all know about that, but that's just my point. That was not enough when she pulled that stunt. Her music, she out here want to be jumping on a collab with a certain artist. I don't know what the fuck was happening there, but that shit was a rap. That shit was whack. That shit, honey. Even the fucking charts could even fucking see that song. Okay, even Piola could not save that shit. That shit was a mess. A hot my fucking mess. Okay. So that shit was not enough. So you know what they thought they did. So you know what they thought, okay, so let's get them back, because we tried every trick in the book, shit ain't working. That's the reason why. And if you clocked, she's so desperate out here. Honey, that was not even it. She pulled a stand about her father, about the tweet about her father out here talking about him not being a rapist here, raping someone here for whatever. Do you see the motherfucking dots? Do you see the dots? That's the reason why I had to jump on this live and make sure the Pen Caught episode 25, I put that bitch on blast. Because I stay out here being ready. Okay? Because I know she stays playing foul and dirty and she cannot take and she cannot stand seeing Nicki Minaj out here winning on high capacity. Okay? So with that being said, she was out here on her Twitter, whatever, trying to be out here highlighting shit that people's not even talking about before. Maybe she planned it herself, talking about her father, saying that he's not, a rapist, whatever. People reaching this and that. Bitch, let's not get started about your father, okay? In terms of like we don't be seeing him like that, and you out here trying to make sure culture's not too close to him and whatever. But we're not gonna get into all that. We don't know the reasons why, and we don't give a fuck because at the end of the day, people don't like. No one was looking for it. That's just my point. No one was looking for it. Nobody was looking for it. Like people are not malicious and vile out here looking for shit like that. We was not looking for it. You understand? It wasn't a situation where, oh, boom, shit happened and then, her father got arrested here, whatever, then it just happened and we're talking about it. Nobody's looking for that shit. Trying to play the victim as it is, trying to play the card, so you can get some votes for your music, whatever. But the song, like I said, that collab that she did, that shit was whack. Okay, that shit was whack. So with that being said about her father or whatever, that's like I said, nobody's looking for it. Even though she stayed playing dirty, trying to be using, Nicki Minaj. What happened situation that has nothing to do with Nicki Minaj, whatsoever. But her and her sister, her hating us people, whatever, they stay using that narrative as a way to get at Nicki. With Nicki, her situation with her sibling, which has nothing to do with Nicki. So that's the thing. Just because they operate in that vicious, malicious, bad mind intent, they be out here thinking like. They be out here thinking like we have the same type of energy and heart. We don't do that. We ain't got time for that. Bitch, we're out here winning busy, on #1 charts. We ain't got time to be out here looking about what your father's out here done did or what he done touched or what he done, said or whatever, to, a minor, to a child. No, bitch. Your ass out here got Patient back in the mix. Boom. After Patient being back in the mix, all this, stooping solo, desperate time for desperate measures. Out here shit coming out in the motherfucking media, out here trying to get trendy. Okay? So like I said, she pulled that stand out here talking about her father, her and her team, so she can get something, so she can get, some sort of a trend, something. Like I said, that shit didn't work. Okay? That shit didn't work. Everything that she trying to pull, it didn't motherfucking work. So you know what? She tried to pull the last motherfucking stop with her team out here pulling that shit about Doja Cat. And I know for a fact she's the one involved in it. Because Jason Lee, as you can see, like, honey, just wait. Cardi B fans and Cardi B out here, trying to start a fake ass, cancel Doja Cat party, whatever, because they cannot take the fact that Doja Cat is associated with Nicki Minaj and she's out here winning and Nicki's winning as well. So, yeah, that's what's happening. That's the reason why I had to jump on this bitch so I can speak about it. Okay? So that shit had to crash. I don't know what the fuck happened there, but we're back. We are back. Not sure if you guys can hear me though, because I want to finish what the fuck I was trying to say. Real motherfucking quick. Lady Sleaze, I see you. Yaya, what's poppin'? Welcome back. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? We back in this bitch. I want to know if you guys can hear me. Oh, we can hear? Okay, that's good. That's good that you can hear. All right then. So what I was trying to say, just like when my shit out here, went out, was yeah. So the last stop that they fucking pulled in terms of like those in terms of Cardi B and her team or whatever, and Cardi B herself, whatever, is to out here want to be starting, like pulling up some old ass shit, about Doja Cat and whatever, like relating to some racist shit, relating to some homophobic shit, just relating to something, for them to use against, Doja Cat, as a way so they can benefit from it. And the reason why is Cardi, and the reason why is Cardi B fans, responsible for that, because like I said, they cannot take it. They cannot take it seeing the Barb, seeing Nicki out here winning, so they want to try some bullshit. And especially when out here, Tekashi maybe having, a collab with Nicki Minaj coming out soon. That as well was like, okay, bitch, now we gotta do something. We gotta do something, because they cannot out here stand, in terms of like just seeing Nicki out here on them charts, top 5 here and there, top 10, just seeing her week after week. They cannot take that shit. Okay, so the hating ass, spiteful ass, evil ass ways, they're the ones who out here, orchestrated out here, started that shit and planted it. And it's so fucking obvious, because as you could see, the fucking blogs, okay, we already know, okay, Hollywood Unlocked, we know that Stay's been hating us, hating us Nicki fan page. We already know that, that page, Jason Lee out here says he's been obsessed with the Barbs. But it's just so obvious, as you could see, they couldn't even fucking wait to fucking post about it. Other blogs are not posting about it, because it is what it is in terms of a big artist as Doja, as it is in terms of being black. You understand? Being black, okay? Having a song with Nicki Minaj and everything. Can you not see, like all the, like, elements in terms of, like, have bloggers, have big blogs, whatever, they got a job to do, they report whatever news they want to report. But in terms of, like, the energy of them doing it so quick and so fast, to want to, like, ruin a certain moment, because like I said, two black people out here, women black, okay, out here, breaking numbers, breaking chats right now as we speak. So it's like there wasn't two other blags, like I said, even though I cannot stand the shade room, got issues with them, whether they post it or not. My point is that there wasn't too fast to do it, and for them not being too fast to do it, that tells you everything. That tells you everything. Okay, that tells you everything. Who the fuck is behind it as it is? Okay, the Cardi fans and Cardi B as it is, because like I said, they cannot take it. Seeing black people out here winning, because their ass out here being culture vulture and whatnot. And like I was saying on my video earlier when I posted about Jason Lee, in terms of like he promotes, how the fuck can you come, how dare you? How dare you, motherfucker? This is the reason why I cannot stand this fucking, like I said, this ass is too old out here to be a motherfucking escort out here stay doing the motherfucking most, okay? Trying to like, get a check and whatever, trying to get some rises, from Cardi. How can Cardi give you a pay rise? Bitch can't even, rise her own payola status. Bitch, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. You're backing up the wrong, you're backing up the wrong motherfucking tree. Like, you really are. Like, you gotta change this motherfucking energy and change the motherfucking channel. Because this ain't it. This ain't it. So fuck his ass. Fuck his ass. Because his ass stays out here doing the most. Like, I don't understand. Like I said, he wants to be out here, want to be coming for Doja, want to be out here knocking Doja down, or knocking whatever Nicki got going on down, whatever. At the same sentence, or the same energy you're promoting, a bitch who's a culture vulture, a bitch out here, want to be drugging motherfuckers, out here doing criminal shit, out here being homophobic as fuck, out here saying transphobic shit, racist shit, whatever. Like, Doja Cat is more black than Cardi. Doja Cat is more black than Cardi. Doja Cat is more black than Cardi. So I don't understand what the fuck are they playing at. Bitch, what the fuck is you playing at? What the fuck is you playing at? Like I said, what Doja Cat did, what Doja Cat was about, that's our business. That's our business. Because the reason why I said that's our business, because niggas and men out here stay doing worse things or say worse things than fucking Doja Cat. And on top of that, like I said, the person who's behind this whole scandal about Doja Cat cancel party, like the person who's out here promoting it, whatever, the fans, Cardi fans, whatever, they're not the ones to say anything. Because Cardi, like I say, she's done worse things. She's not black as it is. Doja Cat's not black. She done said more homophobic shit, more racist shit, more vile shit, more disgusting as shit. You know, with our motherfucking chest being proud about, being proud about it. Taking my fucking Corona, my fucking bottles, up in my fucking pussy. And let people motherfucking eat it on fucking, club scenes. The bitch doesn't give a fuck. The bitch glorifies, disgusting behavior. Motherfuckers want to be out here being so fast and be so quick. Want to be out here tearing down, a person who has more black in her, than fucking Cardi. Are you fucking serious? I've been telling you, Cardi and Doja Cat are low-key beefing. People don't want to fucking listen to me. People don't want to fucking listen to me. I done said it. Okay, I done said it. And as you can see, the low-key beefing, that's the reason why Cardi and Cardi's team, Jason Lee, on the other hand, they're doing whatever it fucking takes, and their fans, so they can fucking stop Doja Cat from fucking shining. They can stop Doja Cat's bag. Because their ass is fucking insecure, hating as motherfuckers. And I done said it before, they're low-key beefing. And this is fucking evidence that shows. The fuck? Let me start reading your comments. But fact that motherfucking bird, I'm telling you, like, they really think they're doing something. Like, honestly, listen, you don't win when you play dirty. You don't win when you play dirty. And that's the reason why Doja Cat is gonna, carry on prospering with this with Nicki Minaj. Don't ever get it twisted, ever. Okay?